We take one deep breath together and we let go of old stories that no longer serve us. We breathe in more love and peace and compassion from that place within us that is always at rest. We let go of old stories of attachment, of running away from change, and we run towards change, knowing that change is one of the most magical, beautiful things. It can be one of the greatest gifts that we release and we let go, and we are open to greater. We are open to more love. We're open to more acceptance, more understanding, more deep, real listening. We are open to change. We take one deep breath together, releasing old stories that no longer serve us, old programmings that were taught by people who were hurting, that we know that hurt people hurt people. And we choose to let go of those stories. We choose to only listen to the stories of love and compassion and acceptance and curiosity. And we really listen. We listen with an open mind and an open heart. We invite deep, radical honesty with ourselves and with others from a loving place of self-awareness. And we let go of covering. We let go of hiding. We let go of suppressing or denying. We face our true selves with courage and honesty and loving self-awareness. And we take one deep breath together and we let it all go. And we make space for more love, more unity, more courage, more compassion, more empathy, more connection, and more peace.